Yun munang direction. Circle. Dito muna circle the groups and answer the question to practice dividing. Basahin mo to. How
many groups of 4 are there?
Group the object with 4. Grupo mo ng 4. Yan. How many groups of 4 are there? Okay. You circle. Ilang groups yung nagawa mo? Count mo. Count mo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 groups. Next tayo. Next. Dito.